Now on this forecast, we probably could just repeat the one from Tuesday, Monday, Sunday, and Saturday, right?
It's funny, barely any adjustments even in the position of that storm center that we've been tracking off the mid-Atlantic coastline for the first few days of this work week. Finally, though, Pat, there's going to be some changes, and it's changes to the better. We just have to get through the rest of the day today and tonight. Let's look right now. East Providence, it's just gray skies. Temperatures are well below average in the upper 50s. Winds are still breezy. They're out of the north-northeast at 17 miles per hour. And our rainfall totals last 24 hours, heaviest, a couple of pockets of heavier rain. One is on the South Shore through Plymouth and the Cape Cod Canal. Nearly 4 inches of rain there. New Bedford, we had some areas of the city that picked up more than 1.75 inches of rain. Coventry over an inch. Warren nearly an inch of rain. Warwick picking up about 3/4 of an inch. So one more dreary day. Warmer end of the week. Sun comes out tomorrow afternoon. We've got temperatures that'll hit highs to near 70 or even a slightly higher, and a dry holiday weekend on the way with lots of sunshine, but a little bit on the cool side, upper 50s to lower 60s. I've got my eye on some developing rain and thunderstorms offshore. You even see now our lightning tracker finding some of these cloud to ground lightning strikes, cloud to water lightning strikes. They're going to be pushing north and westward, so there is likely to be more showers before the day is over, first at the coastline, then spreading inland. This is our troublemaker. This low pressure has been stalled off the mid-Atlantic coast, finally going to start to move away later today and through the night tonight. And as it moves away, it loses its grip on our weather, and we'll see some clearing from west to east. Here's a closer look at our live radar right now. We've been in a little bit of a lull the last couple of hours. It's allowed our temperatures to climb up a couple of degrees. We're still in the upper 50s, though, in Providence. We've hit 60 westerly in New Bedford and upper 50s in Newport. That wind machine still blowing here with those north-northeast winds around 15 miles per hour. Winds will be diminishing tonight as well. The rest of this afternoon still looking damp and unsettled, with the temperatures holding in that 55 to 60 degree range. Overnight, falling a few degrees into the lower 50s. Those showers early. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast showing that renewed activity first along the coastline, then again trying to spread inland. So scattered showers around for this evening and the early part of the night. This is at 11 o'clock at night. Temperatures holding nearly steady. By tomorrow morning, we're starting to see the signs of some clearing. Wouldn't be surprised if you still woke up to cloudy skies tomorrow, but as the day goes on, those clouds will clear out again west to east. And look at the difference in temperatures, upper 60s to lower 70s tomorrow afternoon, with sunshine and much lighter winds. The wave heights at least diminishing enough on the waters here offshore to allow for Block Island's traditional ferry service to resume this afternoon, first time in about 4 days. Looking at the bay forecast, we do have winds still gusting to 25 knots early this afternoon. High tide up at just before 5 o'clock this evening. Mentioned a little activity in the tropics. We've got two systems that we're watching. First, tropical depression number 12 expected to slowly work its way to the north and northwest. That's expected to fall apart here as it moves into the central Atlantic, but this system going to be skirting from the Windward Islands over the southern Caribbean. That one has to be watched for possible development in the Caribbean. Right now, odds favor a track more towards Central America. 7-day forecast. We've got a nice stretch ahead of us. Clouds clearing out tomorrow. 73 on Friday. Does cool down for Saturday and the upcoming weekend, but lots of sunshine for the Federal Hill festivities, including the parade on Sunday, which steps off at 11 a.m. Woonsocket Autumn Fest going on. So much autumn fun to be had when the sun is shining and you want to be outside, right, Pat?